Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. So here's the big question right now. Is Bitcoin setting up for a major rally before October? There are signs all over the charts and macro data pointing to a huge move, and the next couple of months could be critical. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so first let's look at the big picture for Bitcoin. Bitcoin appears to be forming what could be its final fifth wave in the current cycle according to Elliott Wave theory. That last wave is usually the most explosive, and if things line up, we could see Bitcoin rally all the way to $150,000 or even $190,000 before the end of the year. Now that's not guaranteed, but this pattern, combined with the macro backdrop, is something we can't ignore. Next, let's talk about global liquidity because it matters. When global liquidity increases, risk assets like Bitcoin tend to rally, and right now liquidity is still trending upward, which is a good sign. But here's the thing. If that liquidity starts drying up in the coming weeks, it could signal that a top is near. That's why many analysts are eyeing October as a potential turning point. If Bitcoin is going to make a big move, it needs to happen before that shift. Now, what about the short-term price action? Lately, Bitcoin has been moving sideways, a lot of chop, no clear direction. It's been hovering near a key 0.31 Fibonacci level, which historically has acted as a strong support zone and a launch pad for major moves. When we see this kind of consolidating behavior, it usually points to one of two outcomes. Either we're coiling up for a breakout, or we could see one more dip to shake out weak hands before moving higher. The longer this sideways action continues, the more likely we are to see a decisive move. The structure is building energy, and whichever direction breaks first will likely set the tone heading into October. So what levels should we be watching? Rather than focusing on a specific number, the key is whether Bitcoin can reclaim and stay above its recent all-time highs, and more importantly, show strength above that zone. If we see Bitcoin pushing confidently into new price discovery, we could be looking at a run toward $150,000 or even higher, possibly a blow-off top scenario before the end of the year. But again, this depends heavily on liquidity and momentum. If both hold strong, those upper targets are well within reach. And what about Ethereum? Ethereum has continued to show strength relative to Bitcoin in recent months. On the ETH BTC chart, it's been steadily climbing, and many analysts are watching. The 0.04 BTC level is a key area of interest. If this trend holds, Ethereum could remain the stronger performer in the short term, especially during any breakout moves in the broader market. So if you're rotating between major assets, ETH may still offer favorable upside potential, but as always, it depends on how momentum plays out in the coming weeks. Now, here's the bottom line. Bitcoin looks technically primed for a breakout, but time is running out. If the rally is going to continue, we likely need to see momentum pick up before October. Watch liquidity, watch how prices behave near previous highs, and stay sharp. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.